Hello everyone, we are a group of 99 and so today we are going to present the concept of sustainability marketing and its 5 dimensions. so it's based on the article naming a blueprint for sustainability marketing written by Wan Muslim Monash University in Malaysia. so as you know, in recent decades, the explosion of population and industrialization lead to some detrimental impact on the environment, and therefore, there are increasing concern of customer to the environmental problem. So, the sustainability marketing emerged as the response to these concerns. So, what is the sustainability marketing? The sustainability marketing is the marketing which related to the environmental concern, or more specifically, it is the marketing of products which will be responsible for environment, for social, society, and other things. Or it's in the attempt of organization to reduce, to mitigate the negative impact on the environment, society. So it including 5 dimensions, namely technology, economy, environment, ethics, and social. So the first dimension of sustainability marketing is technology. As you know, technology plays the important role not only in the modern world but also in the sustainability marketing. It's applied as the tool to formulate, to create the new approach to satisfy the increasing demand of human beings. And it also in the sustainability marketing concept, it also raises the awareness of among stakeholders and remind them about the sustainability issue, and also encourage them to find a new solution to solve the unsustainable production, consumption, and practice. For example, the invention of hard disk, or the invention of hard disk, it encourage people to store their documents, and then lead to the decreasing of using the hard paper which made from the wood from the environment, or also decrease the carbon footprint. However, we shouldn't only focus on the technological dimension, and also ignoring other factors. This will lead to the adverse effect on the sustainability. So, take the example of car for yeah. You know, the increasing of car nowadays come from the important invention from the past, the invention of car. So nowadays it lead to the increasing number of car using. It also lead to this means it lead to the high level of air pollution. Yeah. So the marketer, their roles have to be integrated technology dimension with all the dimension to understand, to managing, to planning, to get the greater sustainability target.
Now I will talk about the environment element. As we all know, the environment is another element which needs to be more interested in the sustainable marketing economy. this is a natural element which play an important role in the economic. As we all know, the environment exists and develop independently with support and be affected by human activity. The environment produce many natural tools, service, and conditions for human to make and develop the economy. On the other hand, the human activity, especially economic activity, have many bad effects of the environment. We can take solid waste as an example. The solid waste of many industrial companies can destroy our ecosystem because it's really hard to broken up after a long time. Thus, if many companies want to have the sustainable developing, they have to protect and maintain logical the environment. Today, humans have more awareness about protecting the environment. Does mean the role of the environment is made clearly is really important and cannot be alternative. So they support more for some production which is really friendly with the environment. We can take some paper bags in supermarket or paper cups, coffee as good example. Is loved and used by more and more customers who want to protect the environment because it's clean and easy to broken up after using. Thus, if they want to change more and more the habit of using product and hope that can protect the environment. And one thing is that many companies today recognize that if they want to exist and develop in new period, they have to change. The environment have to protect in the products, the service, and the way how to make that product. That means the product not only use the natural materials and tools, but also the process of making that product have to good and friendly with the environment. We can see some companies such as Toyota, Mazda, and Honda. They create electric car which help reduce the air pollution of the environment, which can protect the environment. Nowadays, some funds we create from the benefit of many companies that are used for protect the environment, such as investing in some project like solar energy. Thus, if a company wants to exist and develop in the economy, they have to bring the protecting the environment in the strategy. Thus, the environment have an important role in developing a sustainable marketing economy.
Following two very important aspects that my friend mentioned before, now I want to talk about the economist aspect for the sustainable marketing and management. As you know, with every single business and organization, the economist target is really important because every single management always want to improve the profits and reduce the cost. However, they should not, with sustainable marketing, they should not just only paying only attention for the economics aspect. Why? Because if they want to pay attention all for the profits, they may reduce the attention for other aspects like environment, technology, social, and ethic. For example, in the steel industry, the producer want to maximize the profits. They want to reduce the cost, and they use a lot of outdated assembly line. As a result, they increase the toxic chemical exceeding the permit level, and consequently, they put the pollution up, and they put the pollution up for the machine environment, and also they destroy the safe of labor and local community. That's damage for the environment aspect and community aspect. However, they also should not disregard slightly to the economic aspect and pay more attention to other dimensions, because in sustainability of marketing, the business have to ensure and balance everything, every single environment, social, and ethic and technology. They have to pay a lot of cost for that. Therefore, in sustainable marketing and finance and management, 5 dimensions of sustainability of marketing must stand together, and the marketer have to stand between them to consider, mix and match to maximize the profits, not only the company, but also the society, organization, and customer. Another alternative dimension of sustainable marketing is ethic. It is argued that ethic is playing the important role for benefiting business reputation. It also enriches the position of organization its customer, and also enhance the number of loyalty customer and their retention for the product, and also for organization. According to Gracia Rosell and Moisander in 2008, cited in late 2015, there are three main approach for ethics in sustainable marketing, including consequentialism, deontological, and virtual ethic. The first one, consequentialism approach. It is approach to emphasize human certification and take the human feeling as the nucleus of marketing. That's based on other instrument value. For example, the responsibility for the environment and the society, such as the production and the marketers try to promoting customer by product having eco-label when it is available. So good marketing makes the company look smart, but great marketing makes the customer feel smart. The next one, the deontological approach. That's approach to spiritualizing the real value of product for the community and the environment. For example, some kind of secret company, even though they want to improve the number of customers, but they also have to inform the dangers of smoking, or they also have to keep this product take far away from the children, and also have to improve and develop the potentially less harmful for this product. The last one is virtual ethic. It is assume a small focused approach on ethics, in which direct reaction by wise and honest. As final goal of sustainable marketing is intimately relationship between customer and organization and enhance the confidence of customer to use a product of this organization.
The fifth dimension of sustainability in marketing is the social dimension. This area refers to the benefit and well-being of not only individual but also community. Social dimension in sustainable development has become more conspicuous as there are increasing public suspicion regarding business practice, as well as requirement from the public about the firm contribution to social well-being. Organizations can involve the other dimensions such as ethics, environment in their socially responsible behavior. This behavior can be exposed to the public via commitment of corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is the most universal topic in sustainability research that refer to the social dimension. It also points out the vital elements in social dimension of sustainable development, which are the role of customer choice, support, and perception, and the employee motivation. Corporate social responsibility can grow the customer identification with the organization, and reputation and revenue of the firm can be boosted by socially responsible behavior. Social responsibility can be a competitive advantage for innovative and proactive corporates. The growing has a significant role of social responsibility acknowledged, and the marketer should have appropriate strategies allowing companies to meet their responsibility in the most profitable way. In conclusion, the article has gave intensive background in the real context of sustainability marketing based on 5 dimensions. Hence, the reader, not only marketer but also the general public, could adopt the knowledge to cope with the constantly changing market environment. However, the article used more academic abstract words which make the reader confused to capture the knowledge, especially in ethical dimension. To improve the article, the author should avoid academic work as much as possible and show more the real example for reader to easily follow the article. So this is our presentation. Thank you for your watching.